And moving on to other issues now, Enugu State Governor Peter Mbah will mark 1 year in office on Wednesday, May 29, 2024. In this special report, our correspondent reviews the performance of the administration so far.
So help me God.
This was the moment Governor Peter Mbah and his deputy Ifeanyi Osai took their respective oaths of office at the fourth democratically elected government of Enugu State since the return of democratic governance in Nigeria. Governor Mbah assumed office facing distressed infrastructure, security challenges made worse by non-state actors, and a GDP of $4.4 billion.
From today,
he promised to transform the state economic fortunes, aiming to raise the GDP to $30 billion within 8 years. His key initiatives include prioritizing infrastructure projects like road construction and water availability, boosting private sector investment, enhancing education and healthcare access, effective refuse management, and strengthening security with modern technology.
It is with this faith that we will transform the jangling discord of our state into a beautiful symphony of development. It is
1 year on, opinions are divided on whether the governor is fulfilling his promises.
Look around the city, it's almost like a construction site. Work is going on in line with his pronouncements. So these pronouncements are not things he made arbitrarily just for political expediency. These are things that he has thought through very well in preparation to become the executive governor of Enugu State.
So the issue is that they don't plan very well. Their policies are in a haste. I don't know whom they want to place. You must have a human feelings in governance. If you don't have it, you are wasting your time.
A review of Governor Mbah's efforts reveals significant achievements in several sectors. In water provision, Governor Mbah has made a great mileage, commissioning the 9th Mile 247 water scheme within his first 180 days in office. This scheme is capable of producing 70 million liters of water per day, with ongoing effort to reticulate the water to homes. In road infrastructure, 4 months after assuming office, Governor Mbah flagged off the construction of over 70 roads across urban and rural areas. Some, such as the Gulf Estate, Transekulu, and St. Peter's Gariki roads, have been completed, while others are still in progress.
Well, the man is really trying. That is what we call good governance. He's doing a very good job. I commend him.
In the health sector, a significant milestone is the construction of 260 brand new Type 2 primary healthcare centers across the state. For education, which received the largest portion of the administration's first food budget, Mbah has focused on developing smart schools across the 260 wards in Enugu State. The first phase has already been awarded and construction is ongoing. The completed project in Owo community in Kano East local government area provides a clear picture of what the smart schools entail.
So the idea is that the education we received, the chalk and board education, is no longer working. So we need to raise a new generation of people who can be competent in ICT, in artificial intelligence.
Governor Mbah has also made strides in security, environmental sanitation, and city expansion.
People are more confident to come out on Mondays, especially those that maybe the only concerns they have is the fact that maybe, whether their lives will be secured if they come out.
And I'm also applauding him concerning the sanitation. He brought it back to this monthly sanitation that happens every last Friday, Saturday of the month, rather.
The good thing, and let him meet the less privileged, because hunger is everywhere, and people are doing things they're not supposed to do because of hunger.
Looking ahead, the Secretary to the Enugu State Government, Professor Chidebere Onya, tells me that the second year will focus on consolidating these achievements. Kelechi Ekeledo, AIT News, Enugu.